To stuff amigurumi, you are going to use, surprise, surprise, stuffing. So instead of just taking a giant wad of stuffing and sticking it in your amigurumi, you actually want to rip thin layers of it so that your amigurumi won't come out super lumpy. It might not matter too much for a piece this small, but the bigger it gets, the more obvious it's going to be when you have got lumpy amigurumi. So every time you rip a layer, you want to shape the layer so that it's roughly the size of whatever it needs to fill at that point. So the first piece I put in was pretty small because it was the bottom of this sphere. And now this next piece is a little wider. And every time I put in some stuffing, I tamp it down on all sides, the middle and the sides. And I just slowly keep on adding more and more layers of stuffing until I get the stuffing pretty close to where my piece ends so far. So you want to stuff your piece so that there's enough stuffing that your piece will hold its shape, but not so tight that your piece gets stretched out and you can see stuffing behind these holes. So somewhere around here looks pretty good to me. And you can always keep on adding stuffing right up until right before you close up your piece. But this looks pretty good for me for now. And then you can keep on crocheting your piece. But now there's some stuffing inside of it.